On today's episode, I'm spending my day welding and sanding.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the dinner, and greatness will come with the meals. Oh, I said come with the meals. Mean I get money to blow. Mean I get watches and diamonds, and that's in my pocket and plenty more just for the show. Just so you know, I ain't get put on board, I just put on hard for my fam. Made the decision, I wasn't satisfied how I was living, so I got on mine and then.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 74 of Inside the Body Shop. So first thing this morning when I got to the shop, I had the Hyundai Elantra from yesterday's episode that I was doing the rocker and dogleg section on. If you missed the first half of this repair, be sure to look at yesterday's episode 73 to see when I cut this car apart, cut the rocker section and the dogleg section out, and got the new part fitting up and doors and everything else. So be sure to check that out if you missed yesterday's episode. But when I got there this morning, it was ready to weld together. So I went ahead and I started off first thing with a spot welder. Now these compression spot welders are super handy to have. It's not something that you're gonna see you guys that do stuff at home or anything like that are probably not gonna have something like this, but very handy, saves a lot of time, makes a lot cleaner, better repair. Basically, it puts compression, squeezes all the panels together, and it welds straight through that. There's a lot of pressure on that tip. You have to clean off the back side and the front side to have a connection so it could go straight through. So you'll see on yesterday's episode where I was cleaning off the back side of all these flanges in order to have bare metal so I could weld it. I got this rocker section spot welded on. Now I have to lift this off in order to put glue across here, and that gets folded around. I'll go ahead and put this piece on. Now this short section right here on the quarter panel, these are folded around. You have your wheelhouse and it folds around like this. So that's what I'm doing with the hammer and dolly right here, is I'm folding that lip around, and there's panel bond in there that bonds that together. All right, I just finished up all my MIG welding. I had my 3 seams right there are all welded up. I'm gonna go ahead and stress those welds and start the fill work on it. So the first filler that I put on this is body filler. It's more of a thicker filler that I put down as a first coat. It's not super thick in these areas, but that's my first coat I put down to fill the bulk of the area that I need filler on. Then this glaze that I'm putting on now, it's a finishing filler. I put it as a final coat to feather everything out, and this stuff sands better, helps eliminate pinholes, which are little bitty tiny holes that tend to be in the body filler portion of it. Helps eliminate those, and it sands better and feathers everything out a lot cleaner and nicer. It's not required. You can finish it out with the first stuff that I put on, but this is just a nice finishing product. Makes everything go nicer and cleaner in the end. All right, I almost have this one done. I have a little filler work right here that was damaged, that was on the new part. And then there's a door ding right here. It's not part of it, but I was gonna fix it since I'm working right next to it anyway. But I will finish that up and prime it up in the morning. And then I gotta put chip guard across the bottom underneath. But that's a wrap for today. If you guys enjoyed today's episode, do me a huge favor, click that share button. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And just so you know, I'm also starting to put these on YouTube as well. So if you would rather watch on YouTube, that's always an option as well. I'm gonna try to keep up with that and keep these posted on there daily as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow.